asase wo so be sisim ya mra nti ade esi ya the media couldn't catch it yes signal nti ade esi ya the media couldn't catch it yes signal it triggered for the first time now on the 3rd January 2022 and at 6.3 Taiwan drop asase wo so 19th January and there was a earthquake at Greenland. You walk it through back. 22nd January and 6.3 earthquake Philippines deep sea 6.3 January as I said was 5.7 Tanamim China the Great War. This is the prophetic mapping. Me mapping January. I'm mapping the January. Near February. Because the enemy is looking for an opportunity. 22nd at the same time. There was an earthquake. I was taking November. Me catch phobia. I feel we take it. Nyame be sheko musika amasasi awoso. Do you know say chira enra 31st. Take san everything say earthquake. 45 kilometers from Omo capital. Earthquake 4.6 31st nra. After 4.6 nkete be 20 is year only machine pen be to me apeke what am check yam kan what I say hate ya be hate you musika eno dan nchen a hate ya ma me catch obi say take it for be witness the worst snow ever in decade 80 odi the first month of the year na hwe niam asisi eti now nana ya afena ye ba be witness na asase be woso in the various places enya vaccine no eti now nana ya afena ye ba be witness na asase be woso in the various places nti ade esi ya the media couldn't catch it yes signal.
The latest on the catastrophic earthquake in Turkey and Syria. The death toll rising once again this morning, and the window of hope to find more survivors buried under the rubble is slowly closing.